lena akuyona imotivation ngizokuthethisa ngizokutshena ezakho ngoba wena ulehlezi ulala ukhala uvuka ukhala into abakunika yona ama excuses uyakhumbula bathini bathi I don't want to lose you, I don't want to lose you. That's what they said. But basho ngomlomo they don't want to lose you, they don't want to lose you ngama actions but we don't want to keep you. They don't want to lose you ngomlomo ngama actions they don't want to keep you because into abayenzayo behind your back iveza ukuthi abafuna ukugcina into abayenzayo mabengekho ebusweni bakho iveza ukuthi they don't want to keep you in their lives but mase bephambi kwakho be desperate sebeshayekile they don't want to lose you. You know why they don't want to lose you? They don't want to lose you but because they're still trying to find themselves in you. That is why they keep on hurting you because they blame you that they haven't found themselves in you because when they came to you beza bengazili ukuzokuthanda beza befuna ukuzithanda bona ngawe manje wena awuyona ihandkerchief yokukhipha amafinyila abantu awuyona toilet paper yokusula ama-bruises abantu because mase besule ngama bruises abo bakutshinga le baqhubeke nabantu ababalimazile. Ayikho into engicasula njengabantu abaxolela abantu ababakhozela ipain mhlazane sebelinyazwa abantu ababashiyela labantu ababalimaza. Akivali kanje bakulimaza bakukhozela ipain bakushiya kanti bayolimala phambili bayabuya manje bazokunika ama excuses bazokuchazela ukuthi bakulahlelana bakwenza ukuthi ufile guilty ngento abayenza mhlazane bekulahla nokukulimaza bakulimaza kona mhlazane bekulahla abazili ukuzokupholisa bazeli ukuzoxolisa babemukele back kodwa ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi yabathemba yini ukuthi ngeke bayiphinde into abakwenzayo namhlanje behamba. They don't want to lose you ngiyavuma but at the end of the day they don't want to keep you because they are still trying to find themselves using you. Awulona wena iwodi lokukhipha abantu abalimele awulona iwodi lokugcina abantu abasazama ukuyithola. Prioritize yourself or else you'll keep bleeding, you'll keep hurting, you'll always be broken. Isikhathi sokuheala.